Hey guys, Kilby Browne here with the Property Outs New York City team, checking out the aftermath of the tropical storm Isaias. Here we are on the Jersey City Union City border. You can see obviously New York City in the background. A lot of trees down, a lot of power out. Hope everyone's well. This was a couple hours after the storm passed through. Obviously, the police are trying to, close off the situation, make sure everyone is safe.
You guys are going to see a lot of that in New Jersey. Wow. No feast. Hey guys, hope all's well. Little, calm after the storm. And, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. There she is. And actually, no, you can't see that big tree that fell off that one. Okay.